Now we're gonna flush our fridge. We're gonna flush our side by side. Now we're cleaning the system, eh? We need the condenser to be empty, free, nice and clean. Before you think about putting the gas in, let's check it out. I guess it's nice and clean. Now we need to put a new dryer in the paint dryer. 50 gram or 25 gram can do it. That may do it. Please don't ask me why I'm sweating. Today it's 28 degrees outside, or 30. We are in 30 degrees or 27, 28 degrees. It's very hot. The reason why I have to clean here, I have to clean the capillary before putting it on my dryer, so that my wiring can be fast and smooth. Otherwise, you may distract me a little bit. You put your flaps toward transporter together. Shit. See how to be. Here we go. End of story. End of story. Make sure you position it where you like and how you like it to be. I would like it to be here straight. It's very hot, So you should be careful not to burn yourself and not to mix up. I told you earlier, the pipe is always flexible, so you're gonna find a way to put it together. Always find a way. Oh, sorry, it's still hot, eh? Always find a way to put it together. I found the way to put it in there. You can use a cable tight. Put them together. So that should make it look neat. That's it. It's beautiful. So what we do now, we're gonna proceed to take out all the air of the system here. You put the valve right here. You put it forward. Yes, forward. You put the 134A. This is 134A. So make sure if the compressor is 134A, you use the gas 134A. If it's R600, you use the gas R600. So I disconnect my pipes now. My pipe to the R22. Here's it, and I put it straight on my 134A. Yeah. So I put it straight together in there. So what we're doing now, we're preparing the feed to be refilled. So the next few moments, you're gonna start refilling our feed. There we go. I'll move away because I'm gonna steer toward here. So now you put your gadgets in together. Probably put it right here. Also make sure your pipes give a nice direction. So what we're looking forward to do now, we're gonna flush all the air on the fridge. The vacuum pump can do it. Mine only shut down. So it's gonna require me like 4.5, 5.5 to buy a new one. So possibly next year. You see now we're looking forward to get all this air out from here. Once the air is out, then you refill your fridge. Everything is sorted. So there's no magic on that. Just have to know what you're doing and love what you're doing. And then everything will be fun. Never say I can learn it properly. Once you learn it, you're gonna survive with it someday, somewhere. So I'm trying to put my toes together because she has to go up there and hustle. Again, it's very hot, so people need heal around. Once the pressure of air is finished, so you're gonna proceed and wear the whole stuff. Okay, the pressure of gas is finished. Everything's normal. What I do, I shut down my fridge and I close here. And I close here. And then I wear it straight. Here we go. amazing. That's beautiful. What else do you need from God? When you have some knowledge, some experience to do what others cannot, why should you always complain? Be proud of what you do and what you know. This one, I can just hook it up. There we go. Everything is neat and clean. I don't know if you can see from here. So now we proceed with the gas refill. Sorry. Proceed with the gas refill. I like to open it a little bit always before plugging my fridge on, so the compressor should not run empty. I like give myself small pressure in there, maybe 75 gram or 50 gram, and then you carry on. The fridge basically, the gram here is 180 or 160, but it shouldn't go more than 200. 190, 160, 180. I was just gonna check it out in front there when I'm busy completing my gas refill. The compressor's nice, cool off, everything will be fitted. I love this job. So guys, that's all. That's it. Nothing special, nothing. There's nothing you cannot do in this world. If you learn it properly, you could do it. You learn it, you do it. Yeah. Okay. I put some pressure in there. And then you plug your fridge on. You check the level of the gas in there. You monitor your fridge. Make sure the compressor is normal, the sound is fine, there's no blockage, the dryer is not blocked. Make sure all the fan inside is spinning very well, because this is also like frost free, especially the size of the freezer. So it's a frost free. The more the fan blow, the more you get the cooling getting in the system there. Oh, but for this one, you take some time. You take a while, a little bit, for him to get everything cold. More or less, let's say 1 hour. But this side always a little bit quick, but I mean, we are not rushing. Yeah, that's the end of video, guys. Stay tuned for the next job. I love you guys. Thanks for watching my video. Get to learn from there and get something. I mean, I don't know everything, but whatever you see there, if you can give me any advice for what I'm doing wrong, it can still be good. They're not shame of learning all the time. You don't lose by learning. If you do some on your video, somebody say no, in this place you don't do that, you do like this, maybe get a professional better than you. You always say things to learn. So guys, whoever up there, please share me your thought. If something is missing on my job, just give me an update so I can try to do it much more better. I love that. I like the challenge. I like to learn more. Thank you guys. Bye. I love you. Bye bye.